Okay, so I've been recording this video for a while now, and I kind of forgot to film what my room looked like before, so here's a picture. If you want to see it more in detail, then you can watch my room cleaning vlog. Last time I redid my room was about a year ago. 2024 being my first year of adulthood and full-time steady, I decided it was time for a change. My previous room had been quite busy and colorful, and as much as I liked it, I wanted my new room to have a clean and calm feel. I scrolled on Pinterest to find some inspiration, and here's what I'm going for. I chose a color scheme of green and white with subtle elements of pink and blue. I started removing all the pictures and posters off my wall. This left wall I never liked. I didn't really know what to do with it, so it was just a pretty random compilation of ballet exam certificates and performance photos. My collage wall though, aka the right wall, took forever to take down, and honestly, I was a little sad to see it go, but in the wise words of Sharpay Evans, it's out with the old and in with the new, goodbye skies of grey, hello skies of blue. Anyway. Once I had a semi-blank canvas, I had to play around with adding more vines and a couple different pictures. My maximalistic tendencies began to show, and I started out essentially just replacing the collage with vines, but I toned it down and was pretty happy with how it was looking. I continued to mess around with the layout off camera and ended up settling with this. I also removed this little photo collage on my closet doors since the pictures were a bit old and it looked a little too busy for my new room. I already have furniture that I like except for this. I wasn't a fan of how this dresser looked, it no longer matched my furniture, so I convinced my sister to swap dressers with me. Hers was white, which is what I wanted and what I knew would help brighten up the space. It was a bit smaller than what my original dresser was, but I was willing to deal with that. It was actually so heavy to move since I couldn't take the drawers out, but I managed it in the end. I got this jewelry rack from Kmart to help sort out my jewelry storage problem. Bruh. The link is in the description, and for those outside Australia, a similar jewelry rack is listed in my Amazon storefront. So the wall opposite my room was a bit of a challenge. I played around with different collage layouts, seems I can't escape from wall collages, but I wasn't happy with anything I was coming up with, so I decided to yet again take everything down and start over. I got distracted with my shelf though, so we'll come back to the wall later. This shelf is also from Kmart, and it was too cluttered for my liking, so I decided to keep only my favorite trinkets on it. forgot to film this, but I ended up eventually putting my record player on the third shelf and storing my vinyl collection in my closet since I don't listen to them very often. Once I was happy with how the shelf was looking, I went back to decorating my wall. I decided on 2 simple collages, one above my shelf and another across from it. With the empty space left from where my record player used to be, I decided to put a clothing rack. I love the look of clothing racks and with like the clothes on it being part of the decor, so I wanted to try it out for myself. I thought it looked too plain by itself, so I wound some leftover vines around the frame and then picked out my nicest and most frequently worn tops and skirts and hung them up in color order. I adore how this turned out. It is so satisfying to look at. I put my mirror next to it, and this side of my room was finally finished. I put this digital alarm clock on my desk. I'm time blind, so having a large digital clock like this really helps. To go with my desk, I got this chair from Facebook Marketplace. It's a bit marked up, but beggars can't be choosers, and it was only $10, so I could not say no. Vesta Sleep were kind enough to send me their bamboo sheet set and silicone support pillow. Their bamboo sheet set is made with 100% bamboo viscose, naturally hypoallergenic, and free from synthetics, perfect for those with sensitive skin or allergies. I've been using these for a little while now, and they genuinely feel so amazing and luxurious to sleep in. The bamboo sheet set comes in a queen and king size, and for my fellow single people, you can actually use queen sheets on a single bed. Just simply tuck the excess fabric under your mattress, and voila! No one's gonna know. The silicone support pillow is genuinely the most comfortable pillow I've ever slept on. It has a unique wave-shaped design that follows your body's natural line. Oh, that rhymed. Anyway, simply adjust the pillow depending on your sleeping position for maximum comfort and neck support. I also want to make it clear that this is not sponsored, this is all my honest opinion, and I don't promote products or businesses that are unethical and don't align with my values. With that out of the way, thank you again to Vesta for sending me these, and let's keep going with the room makeover. I got this really pretty quilted pillowcase and this sage throw pillow from the thrift store to put on my bed. I didn't need to change much about my bedside table, I just simplified it a bit and gave it a bit of a tidy up.
That wasn't a good play.
Oh, Faye, no kidding. Horrible. You said it.
But the effects were decent.
This is what you first see when you walk in. It's just a little photo collage wall of all my musical theater stuff that I've been in. Cut. And then now we have my vanity area. I would be using my camera right now, but I've lost the memory card again. Are we really surprised? No. So I'm just using my mom's phone because it's better quality than mine. Is that toothpaste? So here we have my vanity area. I have some perfume, deodorant, sunscreen. These are my main makeup items that I use every day. My friendship bracelets, some pearly jewelry things, and then this is my great-grandmother's vanity set, my jewelry rack, and more little bits and bobs in this shell. And then this just has hair ties and bobby pins and whatnot. This is my mirror. I'm pretty proud of it. I decorated it, I think, around 2020. So I've had it for a while, but I really like it. It's very whimsical, which is very much my thing. Then on the walls, I just have some little pictures, some dried flowers, and yeah, that's my vanity area. Next to my dresser, I have this little vanity mirror that I use sometimes. And then on the other side, I have my sewing machine, some of my records, and my filing cabinet. And obviously my clothes are in the dresser. Who knew that's what dressers were for? Moving on to my desk. Over here, I have my digital clock. I don't know why the lights flash when it's on camera. On my other camera, it would do like this weird like wavy thing. It doesn't do that in real life. I'm really sorry to disappoint you. Then I have this candle and Mr. Pebbles, who I've almost killed like 5 times. I don't light the candle because that might set Mr. Pebbles on fire. He's already a little crunchy because I forgot to water him for like 2 weeks. Then we have my very chaotic looking pincushion. This is a box of stickers, and that's not a sticker, but we're gonna just ignore that. This is Sunny, my little sunflower. I know, such an original name. And this is a giant memo block. My tape, just some washi tape and what is that called? Measuring tape. And then this is a little frog that my friend crocheted for me. A glue stick, and these have some paper clips and safety pins. Erasers, odds and ends, my pencils / crochet hooks for some reason. That's my scissor jar. This has a little bell bun stress ball, so cute. And then this has more memo pads. Memo pads? Memo pads, yes. So yeah, that is my desk. Oh yeah, and that's my desk chair. We love you. And over here we have my bookshelf, which has primarily books, but also a couple little trinkets that I couldn't let go of. This is my little fairy tale shelf, I call it. I have my mushrooms and all my little fairy statues. And these are dragonfly wings that I found in our front yard a while back, and I put them in a jar and it looks pretty cool. So just some fake flowers, my china teacup. And then the second shelf we have some more books, my little gnome and tea party set thing, little mushroom fake plant. Then we have my record players, some more books, shells, and that awesome looking geode. It looks so cool when you look at it through the light. Then I have this wooden mushroom sculpture that my friend made me. This fell off and I need to put it back on, but I haven't gotten around to that yet. And this is Charlotte, and this is a little mushroom plant holder thingy. And then more books. And yeah, that is my bookshelf area. Next to my bookshelf, we have my clothing rack. Oh my goodness, look at it. Like, look at it. The vibes are there. It is giving Pinterest. I absolutely adore how this came out, like, genuinely. I love the color brown. Like, oh, look at these things. It's like, oh, I love it. And flannels. I'm addicted to flannels. All I need is a green flannel, and then I'll consider my collection complete. And yeah, below my clothing rack, I just have a couple shoes and Kermit the wooden duck. Say hi. Oh, look, that's my tripod. I'm gonna move that out of the way. And next to it, I have this full-length mirror. Yay. And next to the mirror, there's a little plant, little planty. And then behind the mirror, I store my yoga mat. This is the back of my door. I just have a couple bags and my Jesus is King hoodie. And I just keep my point shoes on the door as well. And this is my Mikey card, which I also keep there because I don't want to lose it. Then on the walls, we have my beautiful wall collages. I love how the colors match each other. Yeah, here's my vanity area. I just have a little mini Totoro on it and some crocheted strawberry flowers and my Bible. And then underneath, I have some candles aloe vera and pencil case and tissue box. Oh, there it went. There we go. Let's just pretend that didn't happen. Moving on, this is my bed. There's no way to say that without sounding weird. When I bought this pillowcase at the thrift store, I was intending on using it for a sewing project, but then I realized it literally completed my bed setup like perfectly, the colors, everything. Even like the pink and the purple, matching the pink and the purple there. It was meant to be. Anyway, so that's my bed setup, and above I have my record player collage. I don't know if I might simplify it even more, but I'm pretty happy with how this looks. It looks really nice and cohesive, which was the point. I want to eventually get like a sage green throw blanket or something just to sort of break up the white in this area. There's just a lot of white going on. So that's something for a later date. Oh, and there's my trash bin, in case you were wondering. And thus concludes the room tour. Also, how pretty are the autumn leaves outside? I hope this video has inspired you to give your room a makeover. Thank you so much for watching. If you feel like sticking around, please subscribe. It's free and you can always unsubscribe if you really want to. I hope you're having a fantastic day or night, and I'll see you in my next video.